How to get the Steam API key. Hello everyone, and let's get started. The Steam API is a set of tools and services provided by the Valve Corporation, the company behind the Steam digital distribution platform. It allows the developers to integrate Steam's features and functionalities into their own application, websites, or games. It includes various features and services such as user authentication, user data retrieval, data game access, inventory management, community features, and Steamworks integration. So, if you want to get the Steam API offers or the Steam API key, first of all log in into your account and then you can go to this URL as mentioned. The URL for accessing the API key is steamcommunity.com/dev/API. If you have the accessibility of the Steam API key, then you will see a page from where you can access the Steam Web API key. However, it is not available to all the Steam accounts. If it is not available to your account, you will see a page like this. Now you have to tap on customer service page and you can see all the criteria for the Steam support. So Steam prevents some accounts from accessing the certain community services, and to gain the features, here are some requisites. The very first one is adding the equivalent of $5 USD or more to your Steam wallet, purchasing the games that are equal to that amount, adding to wishlist and wallet, and much more. Only then you'll be able to get the features. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.